World is never be a good place. We thought that we live in a good world where good people move and evil people are less. But this is not true. We live in a world where people who are evil accept they are evil. There are some people who are evil but they hide themselves in a shadow of a goodness or sweet crumbs, sweet talking. So they live in this world and don't punished by the law. There are people who are evil but don't have any stand of power or family background. Just call that to people cowards who hide in the shadow, and whenever they get a chance to do something bad what have they in their minds, they get their chance and do the shitty things and the dirtiest thing they could ever do. There are people who are egoistic by mind but logically and mindly they are very correct themselves and make themselves to be not bad and do the things what meant for good for this world and society. There are people who are not bad when they come in this world, but society and some incident with their family, with them, and with their friends make them think that this world is not meant for good people and they decide to be evil. Same attitudes. There are people who are good, but they pretend to be evil just to protect themselves from this evil world. And then there's people who are not bad as we think they are bad, but still they present themselves a bad person, so no one think that they are a good. So people with a clever mind or whatever they have take their benefits. Right word is benefit. ऐसे ही दुनिया में और भी लोग हैं, हर तरह के लोग हैं, बट मैं ये नहीं कहता कि हम एक आइडियल परफेक्ट अच्छी दुनिया में रहते हैं. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डार्क साइड ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. इफ यू कांट सी इट, इट डजंट मैटर. There is not a dark side. All and everyone has in this world is a dark side, and they just hide their dark side just because of their family, friends, or society or by law. If there is no constitution, no police, no law, no court, and other things what meant to punish the evil and for justice of people, there is no such kind as you think as much a fairy tale world you live in. There is not such a good people and good things, but it is not 100% true. I admit that, but this is a 92% true. I can tell you this. People who help someone, or you help someone when you are in a condition of help someone, if you need help, or in you are in a very bad mood, what the possibility to you to be helpful to someone else. Think of that. If you are in a problem, you need money, and someone else ask for money, would you give to them or not? Think once. There is no such thing a true or a good man in this world. A man help other man in this world. It's just of a future preference that if you help them, they help you. But suppose you help someone else once, and in future they not help you, would you help them or not? If not, what makes you good? If yes, it's make you good or make you a fool. Think of that. All the religious texts of all the religions, earth is the hell of heaven, and hell is the hell of the earth. According to me, I am not put a finger on any religious text on or anything else, but for me it is true. I repeat once again, earth is hell of heaven, and hell is hell of earth. And we all put there on this earth as a punishment of our sins of our past life. If you don't believe in this kind of things, you can leave this video here. Thank you very much, and we will meet in my next video. And for now, who believe in this type of things, we are continuing. And I said that this world is not true and not good at all. If you want to become successful in your life, according to me and according to Sanatani text, this is a time of Kali. We spend 5024 year. This is age of this time era called Kali, and Kali is not meant for good people. If you are too good, too nice, it is good for in reference of God. If your Jupiter in your astrology chart, in your kundi, in your horoscope is good, you are good. For symptoms of being a good Jupiter is wisdom mind, knowledge, positive thinking, never do a bad thing with animals, and you can grab or understand things easily, means you are an intelligent person. You can say that. I am not talking in the sense of education, it is the sense of the other things. You can learn from nature. A Jupiter or a strong Jupiter makes you learn from movies and other things you have. And if you I can say that you have higher education more than graduation, or there is no problem. It is also depend on the terms of the 5th house and 9th house, but if you have these things there, then your Jupiter is must very good, in a good condition, and it is a retrograde, then there is no person person in the world who can beat you in the knowledge. You have a knowledge of multiple fields and multiple skill also. Okay. Now I continue with my topic, the era of Kali. If you are too good in this world, this is good for aspect of the God, but not good for the aspect of the this time era. Yuga is like a theme. There is a fourth yug in described in Sanatani text: Satyug, Dwapar, Treta, and Kalyug. We live in a Kalyug. Okay, Kalyug is time when people lose their morality and ethics, rituals, and customs. They do the things they know they are bad, but they still doing. There is no relationship boundaries, no limitations, and people used to follow the Western culture even though they know this is not correct. They don't accept that. Even they are expect they willing to do the things that meant to be wrong, or you can call them the seven sins, seven deadly sins, or in also Bhagavad Gita there is mention some things that if you have those, you never get moksha. Moksha is the thing. Who don't know that moksha is a thing, you meant to have the moksha, so you will never put into the earth or in the hell again in any form of living things like animals, humans, anything, birds, and trees. Okay, so these things are mentioned, I think, all the texts. I just confirmed this from the Bhagavad Gita and seven deadly sins. That is काम, lust, gluttony, jealousy, ईर्ष्या करना किसी से, and lust, काम कहते हैं मैंने, and और भी चीजें मुझे याद नहीं आ रही. Gluttony, jealousy, share, and envy, पता नहीं क्या था वो, जो भी था, ठीक है, वो सब तुम पढ़ सकते हो. So Kalyug is the word. It has been started 5024 5024 years, and this is running now, and now Kalyug is just not at its peaks. When it's on peak, there is no vegetarians in this world. All the people used to eat animals, all kind of animal, and even humans used to eat humans. Like in Japan, I think, or in China or Thailand side, people used to eat humans' brain because they think that by eating brain, their brain will develop more than who don't eat. But I don't think it is true, and it is a very nice thing to eat humans or even animal. If you can survive on vegetables and other things. So please don't eat the animals. If you eat, then please watch the video or the farm where they used to be grown up and what kind of life they have. Please go and watch. After that, it is all up to you. You want to eat them or not, but for me, it is not a correct way to live.